Hi guys, happy Friday again. This is Jeff Jones, a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how to troubleshoot Wi-Fi and Ethernet issues to improve your streaming. If this is your first time on our YouTube channel called Stream Machines, maybe you found us on the Rumble channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All I ask from the bottom of my heart, if you continue to give me a thumbs up. I am building this channel organically, and because of you guys, I appreciate you guys liking the content. And we do have a free giveaway of a Formula Z Mini by August 4th. Without any further ado, let's jump in on how I troubleshoot Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection issues while I'm streaming so it enhances it. Now, the way I'm going to show you might be biased to some, but the Formula Zeal or the Formula devices, whether that be a Z10, a Z Mini, all of them give you the option to make tweaks on the fly, so you don't have to do a lot of different things. So before you start, factory resetting and maybe calling someone and saying something's not working, let's make sure you know what you need to do and what you can control while streaming to prevent some of these things. Now, if you're on a Formula device like I am, the first place you want to do is go over to settings right here. And then once you go there, you want to go over where it says I have 1,000 megabits per second. This is the Wi-Fi or network. We're going to press OK. Now, since I am connected Ethernet, you can see that. If I wanted to go down, you want to make sure that your proxy settings are on none. Now, if you change your proxy settings, I wouldn't know how to do that for you. I can learn. You would turn it to manual. But usually mine are on none. So I leave it there. Save successfully. The next thing you want to do is go to your IP settings. You want to make sure that it's set on DHCP. Just press OK. Make sure those settings are saved successfully. Here's some of the advanced options. This is where it gets really, really good. You don't need to enable IPv6, okay? You want to make sure that that stays off unless it's under other circumstances. But here's where the DNS, domain name systems, it's already on automatic. So your device is smart enough to pick which one is needed for the best streaming. But it does give you an option as a consumer to make changes, to pick things. So if you wanted to go to a private DNS host name, they give you about 2 or 3, I think, or you can do it manually. 3. 1.1.1.1. Pretty popular. Cloudflare, you could choose that and save that successfully. This is one of the ones that we've used so many times because it takes, if your internet provider is a little bit challenged, you can always change this to 1.1.1.1. Pretty secure. If you know, you know, and that's a good thing. Another DNS or domain name system is Google. This is more of a public one. I think it's 8.8.4.4. I think that's it or something like that. I can look it up. But this is like a OG. I remember when this was very popular about maybe 7 to 8 years ago. I know it was probably there before, but this is another popular one. Now, another one that I don't know about is the quad9.net. I should look that up, but it does give you some options for that, or you can do a manual input. All right. So the main one that I would choose if I were going to change is Cloudflare. Second would be Google. And I will promise to look up what the DNS.quad9.net is about. But in other words, I will always choose automatic because I want the device to make that decision based on wherever I'm at. Now, when it comes to Wi-Fi hotspots, you can turn that on if you like, and maybe you are in your RV, you can use the Wi-Fi hotspot on this and be able to use that. And I leave IPv6 off. These are the ways that you can troubleshoot your Wi-Fi and your Ethernet for streaming success if you have these types of devices. Now, what happens if you don't have these types of devices? Okay, well, there's some other things that you can do. Let me go through them real quick, but you're going to have a couple of apps on it. So if you don't have this type of box, I don't think I have it on this unit. Let me make sure I can go to apps. Give me a second. No, what you want to do, and I made a video about it, is you want to go to download an app called Blockada. I'll spell it out, Blockada. This is a free application that helps you change your DNS to make it very, very secure, very private, and very safe. So that's one of the things you can definitely do, is to get a third-party app that'll give you the option to do that if you prefer to do it. Another thing that you can do, and the last thing, and I'll close the video out with this, is that if you own your own router and your own modem, you can put the Cloudflare DNS numbers, right, address, in your router and save the settings. So you would put it the 1.1.1.1 inside your router, and the 1.001 as a secondary DNS in your router, and save the settings. Now your router is going through Cloudflare, which is very private, very quick, and it gives you a little bit more speed and oomph to your box. The only way that's going to work is you have to own your own router and know how to get into your router's intranet or back office to make those administrative changes. As I close out this video, I am super grateful for those who have tuned in over the last month. I am grateful that tips and tricks like this, that if you try them, I'd love to hear from you if it worked or if it didn't, or if you have a better way of doing it. I am open to learning, because when we all learn, we all grow. With that said, thank you so much. We do have some deals of a lifetime. We have the best media devices, the best support services. We support everything we sell. So if you purchase from us, you'll get setup videos, one-on-one training, a private forum, online forum, where we have 4 people who will answer your questions 5 days a week. With that said, thank you for tuning in. Happy 4th of July, and thank you for watching this video. Have a good evening.